so she can still wear it, or if I am going to Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we start, let me greet you guys a advance happy Valentine's Day. Before that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button down below so you will get notified if I am going to post a video. So yes, what are we going to do today is we are going to do Shein haul. Yes, Shein haul. Like, all I got from Shein is my daughter's clothing. We are going to start. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So here, there is a glasses. This is the fashion glasses that I got from Shein, and then this one, there's a wiping cloth, and then this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So let me try this one if it's nice. So yeah, look how nice it is. It's super duper cute. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's super nice. Yes, this is what it looks like. So next, a bucket hat. So this is from Shein, and then this is what it looks like. Look how cute is it? Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it? The quality is nice, and then I like the color, and then the body is super soft, so it's just like a fur, something like that. So yep, it is so nice. And then you are going to partner with the you are going to partner with the sunglasses, and then ta-da!
What?
Oh, diba? Super nice. So these are all worth it. Okay, next is we are going to open. Okay, let me start to this. Right? The size of this is, I ordered size 100, but they gave me a 90. I don't know why. I don't know why they gave me 92 size, but it's okay. Oh my god, it's too big. This is the 18 to 24 months, but it's way too big for my daughter, so she cannot wear this one now. It's way too big. The pants, or the pants of the, or shall we say the partner for this, is also too big, so this would fit her, but it's okay. She can still wear this one either after 4 months, so there's no harm. So next is, let's proceed to another. This is the second This is the second one. And then this one is 3 sets. So there is a headband. And then this is the inner. It's a 92 size. This is the inner. And then this one is the romper. So that's what it looks like. Okay. Next is this vintage dress. So we'll see if how big is this. Oh my god. It's way too big. I mean, she can wear it, but it's way too big for her. But it's okay. Look at the quality. It's super nice. I love it. And then now I know that next time if I am going to order another baby clothes, I need to
what?
Lower the sizes. Like for example, I ordered this for 18 to 24 months, so I need to do a 6 to 12 months. So still wear it, so much better that we are going to buy the size like lower number, because this one is 18 to 24 months, and then that's the only that's the only size that she is wearing right now. So I didn't even think that the sizes in Shein are so big. So yeah. Next is, this is the last item that I got from Shein. And then there is a headband for her. And then this is the upper one. And then this is the lower. So I really like this because the design is square pants, so it's very nice. So I decided to choose this because I like square pants. So yes, that's the only clothes that I got from Shein for my baby. So speaking of my baby, that's her. She is the one who keeps talking in front of me. So next is the package from the mail, fresh from the mail. And then this one is from my friend on Facebook. I ordered this on Facebook. And the only thing is hang on. Wow, there's another public dye.
What?
Gahi siya dye. Oh my goodness. So the one that I got is a purse. See? And then the brand is Stone Mountain. Edition 40th anniversary. So that one. Did you see that? So it's brand new. And then I bought this one for $30. And then the original price for this are, she said that there is a $38. And then it's very cheap. Yes. So far, the bag is really nice. And then when I check the pockets, I've seen a battery, like a, what do you call this? I've seen a cables and what do you call this? Oh my god, what do you call this? Woo! It's like you are going to charge your phone.
What?
I really forget, what do you call this? What do we call this? It's a power bank, duh! Yes, there's a free power bank and there is a cable. So this cable has a 2 something. So there is for the regular USB and there is a for iPhone. So it's so nice. For $30, it's very worth it. So that's what I got for today. So, and of course, last but not the least, I have piyaya, fresh from the Philippines. I ordered this one for my friend on Facebook, and then she is in the Philippines, that she shipped this one to here. So, oh my gosh, I can eat my favorite. So I'm gonna show you guys how I eat this. But I'm going to try to taste it. Because there in Cebu we have a different package, or we have a different brand for this. I haven't tried this, so I'm gonna show you guys what is the taste of this, or they are just the same, or the one that we have in the Cebu, or they are just the same or different, so who knows. It's not bad. It's good. So piyaya is made from flour, butter, shortening oil, honey, muscovado sugar, and sesame seeds. So far, this piyaya is really good. And then it says that best before February 2021. So probably I can eat this one until 2021, but who knows? So it's so good. You guys better try it. So while we're doing a mukbang, I'm just doing a Shein haul. So that's the end of our video, and we are already open the stuff that I bought from Shein. So have a wonderful day. Thanks for staying with me, and have a good night. Bye bye.